Hi, this is Jason Miller, and I'm going to talk to you today about my Space Knights NFT project for BCM 302. I decided to make an NFT collection of Space Knights. These pictures would allow users to find a paint scheme for tabletop games and give them ownership of the colours. I decided to randomly generate pictures of Space Knights to produce a series of .png images, which could then be uploaded to OpenSea as NFT art. Players of tabletop games that use figures similar to Space Knights could browse the gallery looking for randomly generated combinations they liked, and could then use the paint scheme and purchase the NFT from the collection, giving them a unique scheme that they could own. Originally I was just going to take photos of my current painted figures and then post them up on OpenSea. However, after doing more research on NFTs and why people value them, I thought it would be cool to give each piece of art some real world value. That is, giving someone ownership over the paint scheme for their own tabletop minis. For my original NFT collection, I started with photos just to get an idea of how to upload something to OpenSea and how to market it. After talking to some people in the community and looking at what was happening in the NFT art space, I learned how to create layered art using free software. I could draw each component that would go into the NFT individually, and I could see how it looked when it was all put together. I then downloaded some open source code to throw it all together. Most NFT collections have 10,000 plus items, so I generated enough parts to make 10 million unique images and then had the program do the hard work of combining the pieces and creating the 10,000 I would need for the collection. I created and published the collection, but stumbled onto two problems. The first problem is that uploading 10,000 images to OpenSea is a manual and very time-consuming task. On average, it was taking me about an hour to upload 10 images, and that included the NFT signing and adding attributes to each piece. The second problem I faced was that I could not even give my Space Knight NFTs away to people. Some people were suspicious because the images were low quality. I did make the drawings in a couple of hours. Whereas others were suspicious because they don't understand NFTs or cryptocurrency, so they felt like it was a scam as well. As you can see in the video, here is my current collection of Space Knights. I have uploaded 40 items, and each of them is a randomly generated PNG art file. For the next phase of the project, I plan on making the NFT art a higher quality and focus more on its usability in the real world. I have two ideas I'm thinking of pursuing, the first being a more serious take on Space Knights with higher quality art, and the second being an avatar creator for tabletop role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons. Either way, I need to work out a system for the bulk upload of images to OpenSea. So far I've seen a few automated programs that might be able to handle this for me. Thank you for listening to my progress update. I look forward to seeing you again with the final product.